The project name is Hand Motion Control Robotic Gripper. This is the gripper and this is the Arduino microcontroller. Followed by that is this part is the motor driver. This is the Bluetooth module. This is Arduino microcontroller. This is motor 1 and this is motor 2. So these are the two motors, Arduino microcontroller, motor driver, Bluetooth. These are the components. And the adapter is used to convert 230 volts AC into 12 volts DC. Initially, we need to install an app. The app comes with a link like this. We have to click on this app link. Then it will ask to select the email ID. Then click on this green icon. Then you have to press this install. Sometimes it will ask for permissions. Provide all the required permissions. Open. Now we have opened it. Now we have to go back. And open Bluetooth. Now it is showing available devices. You have to scan this so that new available devices will appear. Now HC05 is an available device. If at all there are other devices, you unpair them, then scan again. Since we have already paid, it is appearing as a paid device. First, I will unpair it. Now, it's showing available devices or unpaid available devices. Click on HC05. It will ask for password. You have to give 1234 as a password. 1, 2, 3, 4 and click OK. Now HC05 is available as a paid device. Go back. Then go to the app where it has been installed. ACCEL is accelerometer. This is the app which we have installed. Open this. Then it's saying like not connected to Bluetooth device. Now press this button. Select Bluetooth button. Now this device HC05 will appear. Click on HC05. Okay, now it is connected. Once it is connected, this manual button will become green. Now you will observe there are X, Y and Z values are appearing. These are the axis coordinates. Now it is connected to the system. The way you have to understand is when it is connected to the Bluetooth terminal, the Bluetooth will blink comparatively slower, as you observe here. Okay, after some time it will blink. It means that it has been paid and connected. Now if I move this